Now, talking about the academic prospects, these technological advancements are also changing chemical engineering education. A few years ago, a chemical engineering student mainly learned thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, reaction engineering, and process design. Today, universities are increasingly integrating Python programming, machine learning, data analytics, and artificial intelligence into their curriculum. Students are solving real industrial problems using Jupyter notebooks, process data sheets, and optimization algorithms. The goal is no longer just to understand AI, but to apply it confidently in real chemical plants. The chemical industry is also undergoing a major digital transformation. Leading companies are investing heavily in AI because it improves productivity, reduces operational risks, and increases profitability. One particular exciting technology is this digital twin, which is the virtual representation of a real chemical plant. Engineers can now test new operational conditions, evaluate control strategies, and study abnormal situations inside the digital twin before making any changes to the actual plant, thereby reducing both risk and downtime while supporting better engineering decisions. The challenge for future engineers will be balancing innovation, discovery, new materials, and technologies with optimizing today's industrial processes.